I got stuck. So it just took me like 20 minutes to get out of the driveway. I hate New York. I cannot wait to move out of here. I can't breathe. Like, I'm wheezing. I've had an eventful morning, to say the least. I went to Dollar Tree. I went to Hobby Lobby. I pre-ordered Valentine's Day balloons at Dollar Tree because I do not believe in paying $20 for one balloon at Party City. Stupidest thing you can ever do. They literally blow out. They die. They deflate. $20 for that? No, thank you. I don't even like celebrate. Like, not even like celebrate. We don't even like do Valentine's Day things. It's kind of more just like, here's an extra day that I get to appreciate everything that you do for me. Here's an extra day that I get to show extra love to you. You know? So cute. No fall. And what are you doing? Yes. Get a license and then don't know how to drive. Wonderful idea. Anyways, I'll see you at home. Trader Joe's. Cute, right? How long? For 20 minutes. How do you open this? Whee! Oh. Those are French toast steaks from this morning. Alrighty then. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just made my cucumber water. I just got done with class for today. It's 2 o'clock. And I think I'm gonna do like a week's worth of homework just to have it done because I have a busy week ahead of me. I have like 3 appointments this week. Good morning. I'm gonna go get my hair done now and I'm so excited, okay? Like, so excited. When I know it's time to get my hair done, when I get out of the shower and I like put my hair up in a towel and all I see is brown. So. Keeping Up with Kardashians is playing in the back, but I got my hair done. Those money pieces. We're looking cute. Look at my hair. Okay. I need to sneeze. I need to sneeze. It's not coming out. Anyways, I have to go wash dishes and then do some laundry and then I have to go pick up my mom. I think that's it. Good morning. It is such a gloomy day today. I need to stop talking like this. It is such a gloomy day. But I'm all ready. I'm all ready for my day. I'm honestly just gonna leave my hair like this because I'm not in the mood to deal with it. I've been doing this eyeliner thing for like a couple months now, and it's in my everyday makeup routine now. And if you want to see that everyday makeup routine, I'm gonna link it like right up here or here, wherever it is. But I love it. And then today I did like a little like in my inner corner. I don't know how I feel about it. Probably doesn't even make that much of a difference, but just wanted to update you. So I'm gonna go do what I have to do. and I'll catch you later. So we're in the process of like remodeling our house. Not like remodeling, but like basic like touch-ups that like we've been wanting to do for so long, and we just want to like do them. We're gonna paint the whole house white, and I'm so excited. I want to paint my room white so bad because I'm so over the gray, like really over the gray, because I'm so obsessed with white lately, and it just matches my whole like vibe, life, aesthetic, everything. Okay, and I'm really hoping that my mom will let me, because yes, I'm 22 and I still have to ask my mom things. Right now I'm just gonna go make my coffee. I'm so excited. I haven't had coffee all day. I got every errand done except for Sephora because I didn't have the receipt, and I went into the Sephora inside JCPenney and they can't look me up because they don't have the same system as Sephora or whatever, but I'll just go to the actual Sephora tomorrow. I'm gonna go make my coffee. My favorite drink of all time is white mocha with toffee nut, and I finally have it all at home, so I don't have to spend money at Starbucks anymore. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you, this is spray bottles for new Home 32 stuff. I'm gonna show you the best green juice recipe ever. I'm obsessed with green juice. I have one every morning. There is a handful of spinach, a handful of kale, 1 whole green apple, 1 whole pear, 2 big stalks of celery cut up, about 1 inch of ginger. I just like take it, like just snap it off. Kiwi, like half a cucumber, and then after it's like out of like done with the juicer, I just squeeze a whole lemon in it. Okay, this is the kind of juicer we have. I don't know what it's called, just get a juicer. Any juicer works. Okay, I turn it on. There we go. Then you just start juicing. For the like greens, I call them grass. For the grass, I literally just put it in. Obviously, it's not going to juice itself. So I take something else like that and push it down. So now I take the lemon and roll it to release the juices. Where is my citrus squeezer? Oh. And then that's what it's gonna look like. It makes about like 3 like 8-ounce glasses. And that's what it looks like. Little taste test. So good. It's a brand new day. I just got a package from Michelle's Granola. If you haven't heard of Michelle's Granola, you're missing out. It's literally so good. It's handmade granola, okay? But it's so good. They have so many different flavors. They have like cherry chocolate, lemon pistachio, oatmeal raisins, really good, okay? Sent me a little sticker. Says, hi Aldiana, we're excited to see what delicious creations you'll come up with from the shipment of fresh handmade granola. We hope you'll enjoy eating it as much as we love baking it for you. Love, MG fam. Look how it's packaged, so cute. cherry chocolate, almond butter, and lemon pistachio. Thank you so much, Michelle's granola. I'm so thankful. Oh my goodness, I love granola. I'm trying this almond butter one. Yeah, I'm trying the almond butter one. Oh my god.
What the f you yelling at over there, woman?
Let me lock my core.
You're not gonna intro the vlog?
I don't intro anymore. I just put pieces of my week together.
You're just basic.
Say it again.
You're just basic.
Say it again.
You're just
Say
basic.
it again.
You're just basic. Huh?
What'd she say this was? Strawberry cream cheese? No, raspberry cream cheese?
Raspberry. No, it's cream cheese or raspberry. Raspberry.
I thought she said it was filled, but 'tis not.
Fillings paprikas.
Oh.
Oh.
I got icing on my chin.
Yeah, you got it all over yourself too.
Can you not? Yeah, can you not?
Leave me on peace.
Alright. Wanna try this?
No, I don't like
Please?
jelly.
It's not jelly, it's jam.
That's the same thing.
No.
Get it away from me.
Just one bite.
Nope.
Just like get the bite with like
Oh,
the
well.
cream cheese.
That's for you. I don't want that shit, though. That's it.
But just try to.
Nope.
Just get
Nope.
it without the jelly. Like, look here, I made it for you. See? Get it with just
Nope.
the cream cheese.
Still has it. I don't want it.
Please.
Why are you screaming all over?
If you want me, won't. Just. Try
I'm chewing.
You're fine. Want some hot chocolate?
No.
Can you open it?
No. Mmm.
Ellie!
So good.
Then do it. Get the cream cheese though.
I am trying.
Okay.
There you go. Overrated. Too sweet.
This is sweet.
That one is not bushin'. Take that. Try that.
Is it good?
Yeah. What's this? What's Bavarian cream? Is it filled?
Mm-hmm.
With what? Bavarian cream?
I want water.
Water. Sandy, I need water. Are you done eating donuts?
Yes, I am. So, this week's clearly been a mess. I just got done with my Zoom classes for the day. And I'm gonna end the vlog there. That's what I'm gonna do because I have stuff to do and things to do and I'm busy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what other kind of videos you guys want to see. Make sure you subscribe. And I will catch you in the next week of my life. Bye!